Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by proving identity and locating your existing account. Gather photo ID, proof of residency, and the Township account number. This speeds validation. If online, log into the Township portal now and confirm your contact email and phone. If in person, photocopy documents and arrive within posted hours. Once done, note any listed fees or document checklists so you avoid surprises. Make sure to record timestamps or confirmation numbers for the next steps, because you will reference them during account changes. You now perform the detailed edits. Change name fields, update mailing and service addresses, and modify billing or authorized user settings. Upload required scans, keep files under 5 MB and clearly legible, and select document types that match requested proof. Once uploaded, follow verification. Enter an OTP, click a confirmation email link, or sign and submit a physical form. As you proceed, double-check each field for typos. Small errors cause delays and require resubmission later. You finish by securing confirmation. Print or screenshot the confirmation number and any receipts. Allow the Township processing window to complete. Timelines vary, so track the expected date. If you need immediate service, contact the office with your confirmation number and explain urgency. If the change is rejected, read the rejection reason carefully, correct only the identified issues, and resubmit. Common fixes are poor scans or mismatched addresses. If problems persist, request escalation or schedule an in-person appointment for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.